Welcome back to Egadget, the place where we explore smart gadgets and gear that elevate your lifestyle. Today, we are stepping into the outdoors to review something substantial, the EROMMY 12 by 20 foot aluminum patio gazebo. With its robust build, spacious design, and thoughtful features, this structure is much more than a basic shade canopy. Whether you're planning to upgrade your backyard or looking to create a year-round outdoor living area, this gazebo might just be the centerpiece you've been looking for. So stick around as we dive deep into what makes this gazebo special, how it performs in real-world use, and whether it's the right pick for your outdoor space. Let's begin with the overall size and purpose of this gazebo. The EROMMY gazebo spans a full 12 feet in width and 20 feet in depth, giving you a generous 240 square feet of coverage. That's large enough to accommodate full outdoor dining sets, loungers, or even a hot tub setup. This makes it perfect for patios, decks, or backyard entertaining zones. It's designed to help you and your family enjoy the outdoors in comfort, rain, or shine. With such a substantial footprint, it essentially adds an entire room to your backyard, giving you year-round usability with protection from the elements. The roof is one of the most critical parts of any outdoor gazebo, and this one stands out with its powder-coated galvanized steel construction. It's built to withstand high winds, resist rust, and even handle heavy snow loads. Unlike fabric canopies, which tend to fade or tear over time, this steel roof is designed for long-term durability and performance. It also effectively blocks out bright sunlight and harmful UV rays, giving you a cool and shaded area that's safe for both people and furniture. In terms of structure and materials, this roof is made to last through all 4 seasons. Supporting this tough roof is a powder-coated aluminum frame that adds both strength and style. Aluminum is naturally rust-resistant, and the powder coating enhances its durability even further. The posts feel solid and sturdy, and each corner includes a pre-drilled base for secure anchoring, making the entire structure reliable even in slightly uneven or rugged terrain. The frame not only ensures the gazebo stands firm during rough weather, but it also gives the overall build a clean, modern look that blends well with various outdoor decor styles. One of the best features of this gazebo is its dual-track curtain system, which includes both mosquito netting and privacy curtains. Each layer slides smoothly along its own rail, making it easy to open or close based on the time of day or weather. The mosquito screens are especially useful during summer evenings, while the curtains offer additional shade and privacy during daytime use. Each post comes with integrated straps, allowing you to tie back either layer neatly when not in use. This feature brings both functionality and flexibility, helping you adjust the environment based on your needs. EROMMY also includes thoughtful touches that enhance the gazebo's usability. Built into the ceiling frame are U-shaped and J-shaped hooks, allowing you to hang string lights, fans, or even decorative items like wind chimes or planters. These hooks make it easy to turn your gazebo into a truly personalized space. Whether you want a cozy glow in the evening or better air circulation on hot days, these small additions go a long way in making your outdoor area feel like home. The dual roof design is another well-thought-out feature that adds both form and function. The upper vent allows hot air to escape while encouraging cooler air to circulate through the structure. Sandwiched between the 2 roofs is a mesh screen that keeps mosquitoes and insects out without blocking airflow. This ensures that even during warmer months, you can enjoy fresh air without the annoyance of bugs. Plus, the dual roof design adds a visual flair, giving the gazebo a high-end architectural feel. Now, let's talk about installation. EROMMY provides all the necessary tools and instructions, and while the setup process is manageable, it definitely requires teamwork. The company estimates around 5 to 6 hours with 3 to 4 people, and that's a pretty accurate time frame. Most of the structure goes together smoothly, but the steel roof panels are heavy and require precise alignment, so having extra hands is crucial. Also keep in mind that the gazebo is shipped in 6 separate boxes, which may arrive at different times, so don't start assembling until everything has arrived. Looking at what real users are saying, the feedback is largely positive. One reviewer noted how well-engineered the entire structure was, praising how everything lined up during assembly and how clearly labeled the parts were. Another user, who had to replace their original due to a freak wind incident while it was unhooked, was so satisfied with the gazebo that they bought the same model again without hesitation. The only recurring critique seems to be the difficulty of installing the roof solo, but that's expected for a gazebo of this size and weight. With a little help though, most users found the assembly process quite doable. Let's quickly recap the major pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a massive 240 square foot shaded area, a weather-resistant steel roof, and a rust-proof aluminum frame. The dual-rail curtain system and utility hooks add real-life convenience, while the dual roof ensures excellent ventilation and bug protection. On the downside, the installation process is time-intensive and requires multiple people, and you'll need to wait until all 6 packages arrive before getting started. Also, foundation materials like concrete or anchor bolts aren't included, so plan ahead based on where you're installing it. Still, the overall value is very strong for the price point. So, is the EROMMY 12 by 20 foot patio gazebo worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a long-term outdoor structure that offers space, strength, and serious style, this model delivers on all fronts. It's perfect for hosting, relaxing, or simply expanding your outdoor living area in a practical and elegant way. If you found this review helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Techegadget for more smart gear reviews, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep living smart and stylish, outdoors and in.